right. Hi, Colts.
Hi, Colt.
What are we doing today, Robert?
We're making an explosive volcano. Oh, I already made mine. It's complete.
You already made yours.
I made the outside. You see all those stuff? We need those.
What's this?
Baking soda.
What's this?
Vinegar.
Uh-huh. And what's this?
A measuring cup. Mom told me.
And we have Play-Doh to make the volcano.
Yeah. See, I already made mine.
All right.
Maybe I should add more stuff into it.
You do that. So I was talking to Robert about how the Colts are learning about springtime and bugs and flowers and birds, but he really wanted to make this volcano. And so since Robert was really interested in doing this project, I thought it would be a good idea to go ahead and follow his interest. That's one of the basic tenets of Emergent curriculum. You look at what the child's interested in and you want to gear your learning towards that. So we're going to be making these volcanoes, and maybe we'll also talk about math too.
Oh, hey, Mom. You know what I'm going to do?
What?
It's going to include mixing colors. Is that okay?
That's all right. I usually don't like that. You want to stick a little, this is an old HEB pharmacy medicine syringe. And I'm going to use these to store our baking soda. So I'm going to put this here and I guess make a volcano like this. Does that look like a volcano? Kind of. Should I add more to it? Can I use this?
Core.
How about...
That's another way to say shore.
Core? Here, how's that look for a volcano? Can you do that with purple?
I'll do it with orange.
Or orange. So, I can pull out my syringe and add baking soda to it. And then I can stick it in the volcano. You want to try that?
A volcano is supposed to look like this.
You're right. But for the camera, I did it like this. So
it's okay.
Oh, okay.
It doesn't matter.
It really doesn't. We don't need the Play-Doh to go up over the whole thing. It's fine like this, right?
Yeah.
We can still do our experiment.
Yeah.
So I'm getting out this little tiny measuring cup. And we'll put some...
Uh-oh.
Like that.
How's it getting folded?
That's one portion.
How does it get poured out?
Oh, I've got Play-Doh plugging it up. Now here's one portion. Should we make this have two portions, Robert?
Let's see.
Okay.
It was an accident.
It's okay, it's okay. So I have the Play-Doh plugging this up. This has one portion, Robert, and this has one portion. Should we make this one have two portions instead?
Yeah.
So if we want this to have two portions, how many more portions do we need to add?
One more cup.
One more. It's because 1 plus 1 is?
2.
It's 2.
How about 5 plus 5?
What's that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10.
10. It's 10. Now this has one portion, but I think it would be good if it had 3 portions.
One more cup. 2 plus 1 makes 3.
So we need 2 more portions. Okay.
Hey, what's 2 plus 2?
What?
You know.
You tell me.
You know.
What is it?
4.
It's 4. We're going to be adding vinegar to it. So this has 1 portion. This has 2 portions, and this has 3 portions. So
Wait, 1, 2, 3.
So let's see which one is better for the reaction. Okay?
Put it in the bottle. So do I do it?
You do it. Now, Make sure you pour it with the little point into here very slowly. Not all of it. Cool. Did we use it all up? What? There's more baking soda down there. Whoa.
Wait, put some in here, Mom.
Some what? Vinegar? Why?
Vinegar and then baking soda.
And baking soda?
Yeah. Just one. Whoa. Explosive volcano. Let me try.
So in here we had the baking soda, then vinegar. But up here we had the vinegar and then baking soda. Which one did you like better?
Both.
Both? So on the fly, Robert adjusted the experiment.
Yeah, I got it out my hands. Silly me. So some baking soda.
Should we try it in here now? The one with 2 portions?
Did you add baking soda in there?
Yeah, of course. Whoa.
Baking soda?
Hang on. Should we try to mix it up? There's still baking soda down there. Wait. Let's talk about this.
Wait, I need some more vinegar.
I know.
It's almost out.
There's still baking soda in there. Wait.
How do we get it out?
Why is there still baking soda down there?
Because it's sticky. I gotta pour some more in mine.
No, it's okay. The vinegar couldn't reach all the way down to get all of the baking soda. How can we solve that problem? Well, I think you already did solve the problem. You had us pour baking soda on top of vinegar instead of vinegar on top of baking soda.
Well, there's still some baking soda down there.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, you should have put vinegar and then baking soda.
Should we try that next?
Yes.
Okay. Let's try that next.
Wait, I'm going to pour some more into yours because I didn't do that on that one.
Hang on, honey. You wanted to put baking soda into vinegar. That's what you wanted to do next, right? Let's try that with the yellow one. All right. Put vinegar in. Let's try it again. Okay, now I'm going to pour in some baking soda.
And then some more vinegar.
Now let's wait for it to bubble and see what it looks like. So we've abandoned our 1, 2, 3 experiment to follow different variables that he's choosing to explore. Which one should come first, the baking soda or the vinegar? We've completely changed how our experiment is going, based on his interests and what he wants to look at. Hey, look, that got out all the baking soda. We didn't waste baking soda getting clumped at the bottom when you put in vinegar first.
Let me put in some vinegar. Whoa! Sorry. I can calm it down.
So now the method that you're trying is a little bit of baking soda, little bit of vinegar. Little bit of baking soda, little bit of vinegar. You're layering it, right? Do you think this is working better or about the same or worse?
Better.
It's better to do little layers.
Let's see what it's like outside.
Should I pour some in? Uh-oh. Does it burn you?
Let's see.
No, it's just bubbling.
Need some vinegar.
I'm gonna get some vinegar. Put it on your thumb.
Hey, cool. The thumb is bubbling.
Does it feel cool?
Hey, cool.
Okay, I want to try. Now we're going to add a sensory component to our lesson.
It took off all of it.
Oh, yeah. We're adding a sensory component to talk about how it feels on your skin.
Hey. Vinegar.
Uh-oh. Okay.
Let me put some words at the party.
Wait, on my hand. I want to see what it feels like.
What?
Feels like foaming bubbles.
Can I try?
Little tickles.
Put some on my hand.
Put it over the tray. I don't know if we'll have enough baking soda for our next cooking class. This is fun though. Okay.
Okay, let me try Olive.
You do it.
Mmm.
Do you like it?
Mmm.
Ah.
Kind of cold. Ah!
But you know, baking soda and vinegar is a really good cleaning solution. So if you do this experiment at home, you might want to get a paper towel and soak it in this and maybe clean off your faucets if you're looking a little, grimy. It's a great
Mom,
cleaner. What?
Let's keep doing it. It looks fun.
A little bit more. Where should I put this? In there?
Oh, yeah. And then some vinegar. In here.
In here?
Yeah.
Keep it over here.
Ooh, it looks like ice cream. Put some more. So much. Ooh! Look at it! Ah! Put some more. It's gonna.
It's time for lunch, buddy.
Oh! I forgot about my cookie!
I did say you could have a cookie. Okay. All right. Well, thanks for joining us for this this impromptu math / sensory / problem solving lesson. And parents, I hope you learned a little bit about emergent curriculum and kind of just messing around with your kid to see what kind of learning opportunities come up.
Oh, hey, that actually looks like a river.
Touch that. That feels really cool to touch it.
I made a 3.
Yeah, so practicing emergent curriculum like philosophy is what
Goodbye.
the Child's Day teachers like to
I'll
practice.
see you later.
Bye, Robert. We have a lesson plan in place, of course, but sometimes the kids just really want to explore one facet of it, or they get hung up on this other subject, and the teachers try to follow their lead. Because that's how kids learn best. When they're interested in something, they're going to learn really, really well, and it'll stick with them. All right. Well, thanks for joining us. Bye, guys.